Hello, I'm Esther from DirectSense, and today I'm going to show you how to perform the alcohol measurement with the DirectSense Alcohol Biosensor Kit. What you're going to need to perform the measurement: so of course the DirectSense Alcohol Biosensor Kit, the DirectSense Reader T4, a sample, pipette and pipette tips according to your need depending on the dilution, some Eppendorfer vials, and in case your sample contains carbonic acid, you will need to degas it prior to the measurement. So what you're going to need for the degassing step: a funnel, some fluted filter paper, a second beaker to collect the degassed sample, and if you want to store it and measure the sample at a later time point, please do this in closed containers. Before you start with your sample preparation, you need to choose the right dilution. As shown on the table, this depends on the concentration of alcohol in your sample. In our case, we have a sample with an alcohol concentration between 0.015 to 0.1 volume percentage. Therefore, we are choosing a 1+4 dilution. Now let's get started. As I already mentioned, we need to prepare a 1+4 dilution. Therefore, we take a 1.5 ml Eppendorfer vial and pipette 200 microliter of our sample into it. If applicable, degas your sample prior to the dilution step. For the degassing step, please watch our instruction. Then we take the buffer, which needs to have room temperature, and add 800 microliter of buffer into the same epi. Don't forget to mix your solution well before proceeding with the measurement. You can either shake it or, as shown here, pipette the solution up and down for 3 to 5 times. Now we're ready to start the measurement. Take the reader and turn it on by pressing the on and off button for a few seconds until the display is activated. Select Measure, then choose a user and press Select. Scan the QR code, which is located on the inside of the box, and press Continue. Here, you have the possibility to scan a sample name using a QR code or barcode, or type it in manually. Now press OK. In the next step, you need to choose the selected dilution. In our case, 1+4. Take one biosensor strip out of the biosensor strip vial and close the vial immediately after. Be careful not to touch the sensitive area of the biosensor strip. Let the sensor rest on the bench for 30 seconds before inserting it into the reader. Therefore, the blue side upwards and the metal contacts pointing towards the reader. Press Continue. Now we are ready to start the measurement. Take one sample applicator and dip it 3 times into your solution to fill it completely. Position the sample applicator so that its lower edge is in direct contact with the plastic edge of the biosensor cover. In case the sample is not taken up immediately, slowly move the sample applicator upwards until sample uptake begins. The reader will automatically detect the sample and start the measurement. After the measurement, the result will be displayed in volume percentage.
So this has been the alcohol measurement with our alcohol biosensor kit. In case you need further information or support, you can visit our homepage or write email to support@directsense.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.